What's up, guys? Um, Today, I'm not gonna. If you were expecting a Forza video, don't just click off the video. But if you were expecting anything else, like a real life car meet video, then this video is, you can just watch the whole video. I don't know if you'll even like it, but yeah, this today I'm gonna go to a Porsche meet, and yeah, I really hope we could, hopefully, we could see some cool stuff, and yeah, let's go. Let me record this now. Just gonna record this right here. Three. Super right here. Looks pretty boring looking. Not much done to it. I should get some. Pretty comfortable. Really, I like wearing shoes like these, like the ones I'm wearing.
You're gonna get this one in for a water pump.
Whoa, look, guys, CA Corvette. What the fuck? Orange painted CA Corvette, so clean looking, guys.
Surprisingly, bro, I does not have an accent at all. But if you tell him,
it's another fucking CA Corvette.
Yeah, I remember asking him. He doesn't do it. He doesn't do it. That's why he's trying to be like, kind of like, go like on Bonto.
GR Corolla.
Oh, bro, I would ask him. I've never heard him do that. I'm gonna park next to your car real quick. Yo? Ignoring the property value. Remember this shit in the track? I want to be in bed on that. Well, we'll go back to that. I was like, give me 21 minutes. Well, 20 minutes for you is deadly, dog.
Weird looking GT3 without a wing. Never seen one without a wing. They look all right. I mean, I like this one right here. This McLaren 570. Is that what it's called?
570?
Yeah. That's 2K. My favorite. Yellow Cayman 7.8 and yellow. So used to only seeing the GT4s. 997? Guys, if that's a 997, please let me know. Or Carreras. He had?
He sold it. He sold it.
He had that?
Must be nice.
What?
Yeah, yeah.
Why he got rid of it?
He said he didn't like it. He said he recorded it.
Bruh. Yeah. I bet it does.
Thanks. You can't pull that. You can get copyrighted.
Shit. Well, take a look, guys. My dream car, 9923 RS. Sorry.
He pulls batteries on me.
9923 RS, guys. This dream car right here. I know everyone likes it, but I like it otherwise. GT3. Oh, look, another GT3. What's that? Really? You know, for any I like it. Video comes with every So, like, you know, I don't miss a day.
Be like, hey, bro, can you give me? Like, can I get in? I work out.
Damn freaking music, man. I'm gonna get copyrighted strike. Alright, here it is. Here it is, guys. Oh, my dream car right here, guys. I don't know what 2018, 16, 15 Carreras. Cayman GT4. Martini Porsche. Over there.
They fixed me right.
WEC race car. That guy's not afraid of hitting anything. Oh, look, it's that purple, that violet GT3 RS from last time. Sexy ass 992.
Loves anything purple.
GT3. I don't like this one. Front end looks like bumper and split.
Imagine this is all like just Parklex. This is just Parklex. Just has a pretty cool look. Yeah. The owner? Our old owner, yeah.
You said it looks like an EG.
Just gave me an idea. Put an EG motor in there.
Put an EG mode. That shit's gonna slide. Just recording random things.
Hey, Alex. Yo, come here.
Guys, can someone tell me why the hell the 991.2 GT3 RS isn't talked about? I feel like it's not talked about as much anymore. So put down in the comments below why, a very good answer, why is nobody talking about the 991.2 GT3 RS anymore, guys? Like, why is nobody talking, ever since the 992 GT3 RS came out, nobody talks about the 991.2 anymore. Like what? Every single fucking day. So can somebody in the comments tell me why the hell is the 991.2 GT3 RS is not talked about ever since the 992 ever came out? Sexy ass car. Fat ass swing.
that's way better.
There's no damn trash can.
You remember the game I bought? The double sound?
Yeah.
That's why.
This is the one you got?
Yeah, that's the one you drive in the game.
Adam has a video?
No.
My favorite color. He comes out with the fake Renaissance saying, I was thinking about framing this.
Huh? I got that fool. One, two, three, go!
crazy, guys. Fucking already wanted to join the fun.